Looking for a quick way to use Housecall Pro for landscaping businesses? Whether you're just starting out or looking to streamline your landscaping operations, Housecall Pro offers tools that can make your life easier and your business more efficient. Stick around, and by the end, you'll understand how to leverage this powerful software to grow your business, and you'll find out how to access it for free with exclusive bonuses. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one service management software designed to help you manage everything from scheduling to payments, and it's perfect for landscaping businesses. From booking jobs, tracking progress, invoicing clients, to sending reminders, Housecall Pro handles the behind-the-scenes work so you can focus on delivering top-notch landscaping services. First off, one of the best features for landscaping businesses is the seamless scheduling and dispatching. You can easily schedule your landscaping jobs and assign them to your team members through the mobile app. No more back-and-forth phone calls or scattered sticky notes. Housecall Pro keeps everything in one place. You can even set up recurring appointments for clients who need regular landscaping services, such as lawn mowing or garden maintenance, making it easy to manage long-term client relationships. Housecall Pro also lets you automate reminders to your customers and employees. This ensures that appointments are never missed and helps your team stay on track. You can send text and email reminders to both clients and crew members, keeping everyone informed and organized. This not only improves customer satisfaction, but also helps reduce no-shows and miscommunications. Now let's talk about invoicing. Housecall Pro makes billing quick and simple. After completing a landscaping job, you can instantly generate invoices right from your phone or computer. You can also accept payments on-site via credit card, which is a game changer when you're handling cash jobs or want to get paid immediately after finishing a job. The system integrates with payment gateways, making transactions smooth and secure. And of course, there's the customer experience. Housecall Pro allows your clients to receive professional quotes and invoices. You can even offer them the ability to pay online, adding that extra layer of convenience for your customers. If you're offering a premium landscaping service, you want your clients to feel like they're getting premium service every step of the way. And Housecall Pro helps you deliver just that. For those looking to scale, Housecall Pro provides business insights through powerful reports and analytics. You can track how well your business is doing, see which services are most profitable, and make data-driven decisions to grow your business. By knowing your numbers, you'll be able to optimize your workflow and find areas where you can improve. Plus, it integrates with popular apps like QuickBooks, so you can manage your finances without switching between multiple platforms. No need for complicated spreadsheets or double entry. Housecall Pro takes care of syncing everything with your accounting software. And here's the best part. You can start using Housecall Pro for landscaping businesses for free today. Yes, by clicking the link in the description below, you'll unlock an exclusive extended free trial of this software. Get a head start on using all these powerful features without paying a dime. Remember, Housecall Pro for landscaping businesses simplifies the workflow from scheduling to payments, helping you manage and scale your business efficiently. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial today, and don't forget to check out the link below for more details on how to get started. So, to recap, streamline your landscaping business, automate tedious tasks, keep your team organized, and offer a smoother experience for your clients without the extra overhead. Click that link, start your free trial, and start using Housecall Pro today to take your landscaping business to the next level.